This video teaches you how to convert a Notepad text file to a Microsoft Excel document. In the File menu, click Open. Browse. Select Text Files from the File Type drop-down menu. Select the text file you want to convert and click Open. This opens the text import wizard. Select Delimited if the text file contains data separated by commas, tabs, or some other method, or Fixed Width if the data is aligned in columns with spaces between each field. Select a data type and click Next. Select Delimitators and click Next. Select the column data format. Click Finish. Save file. Select Excel Workbook from the Save as Type menu. Name the file and click Save. The Notepad text file is now saved as an Excel workbook. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.